There's a huge marketing opportunity when you showcase your happy customers in a series of videos posted to social media, because we all tend to believe real people over really good ads, right? And testimonials are easy to capture on your phone or a good camera, and keeping these few tips in mind, you'll get better faster. First, set them up for success. After inviting a customer to participate, explain what you'd like from them and why, right? Talk about the taping process and how easy it's going to be and how not a big deal, and let them know that the flubs are okay, are going to happen. We're just going to use the best takes so you'll look really good, right? And then make sure you film in a quiet or quietish spot with good light. Usually natural light is the best, and use decent equipment, right? Somewhere at your store would be great, somewhere in your place would be great. And ask them to answer in full sentences or to repeat the question. So that way you can edit yourself out of the video at the end and it's just them. After all, it's all about them and their experience. Another tip, let your customer do the talking. No rehearsed answers, right? But do ask the right questions. Instead of general, like, what do you like about us? Ask, hey, what's your favorite thing about coming in here or doing business with us? And then it's okay to follow up with emotional questions. How did you feel after this happened, right? Ask results-focused questions. Tell me a little bit about how your life was better after you bought our thing, did our course, whatever it is. What changes did you notice or feel or were important to you, right? And you can tell the before and after story, right? Ideally, your customer will describe their problem, which should resonate and grab attention for every viewer that has a similar problem. And they'll share their experience with you, right? Buying the thing, getting advice, using the service. Let them describe what you do and sell, your mechanism, if you will. And then ask them about their life now. How is it better? How is it faster, easier? What do they enjoy about the results? What results are they enjoying? How do they like that? What do they like about that? How does it make them feel? Also, you can use these testimonials to uncover the objections, right? Because we all have those. If you encounter common objections or hesitancies from prospects as they consider buying from you, well, see if your customer testimonials can cover those or uncover those, right? It would play out really well if they said, well, I saw that this was a good thing from these people, felt like the right solution, but I was concerned about this, right? It could be a new learning curve, it could be switching costs, it could be a brand new investment, it could be as simple as just changing old buying habits and embracing something new, right? But then they proceeded anyway, let them talk about that, and because of this or because of something that they did, the results were so well worth it, right? They were worth it like this. Focus on the results. And this kind of overcoming objections thing just resonates with another viewer. It loosely follows a feel, felt, found sort of path. I understand how you feel. I felt the same way. What I found was this. That makes sense, and it closes the loop for people. And then, finally, end strong, right? You want to end with an endorsement and a call to action. Now, most of what you've recorded is an endorsement, so that's cool. And it's okay to ask, hey, would you recommend us? Would you recommend them to your friends? And then just see what happens, right? But make sure you finish that video with contact information. Because now you've raised the interest and the comfort level of the viewer prospect. How do they buy? Tell them how to buy. Give them the address to come into your store, give them the website so they can go and order something. Make sure they have your phone number or email so they can make an appointment. Let them know how to buy. And then always make sure to make it about them. It's important to ask your customer, your guest, your testimonial, is there anything you'd like to talk about that I didn't ask you about? This may turn out to be the biggest gem in the whole video, right? And then, making it about them, when it's edited all together and it looks good, you post it to social media, make sure that you thank them profusely, or elegantly at least, and then tag them on social media as appropriate. Just make it fun, right? Let them be authentic, and don't be discouraged if some folks don't really want to do it, right? That's okay. Not everybody's comfortable doing it, but everybody will be flattered that you asked. And then some of them will see the videos that others do and they'll be comfortable and, kind of be easier for them once they see others doing it. And one great thing about testimonials is that they are evergreen marketing, meaning that you can use them more than once. You can use them over and over time. And you should absolutely post and repost and tag and retag as appropriate. So, a couple of tips, go have some fun. This may be the most easily effective marketing video that you make. And if you'd like a little support, that's what we do. If you'd like a little support in the world of video marketing, we can help. Check out our 21-day video marketing jumpstart at socialjumpstart.com/join for more information. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.